In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your language on Doordash. Whether you're new to the platform or just prefer navigating in a different language, updating your language settings on Doordash is quick and straightforward. I'll guide you through both the mobile app and the website so you can choose whichever works best for you, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way to make sure the change sticks. Start by opening Doordash either in the app on your phone or on the website in your browser. If you're using the app, make sure you're on the latest version for the smoothest experience. On the website, sign in first so the settings saves to your account across devices. Next, head to your account area. In the app, look for the account tab or the profile icon. This is typically at the bottom right of the screen. On the website, you'll usually find your profile icon near the top right. Tap or click it to open your account menu. This is where most personal preferences live, including language. From there, go into settings in the app. On the website, you may land on an account page where settings and preferences are grouped together. If you don't immediately see language options, take a moment to scroll. Some layouts place it under a section like Preferences, Display, or Language. Different app versions can label this slightly differently, but you're looking for the language selector. Once you've found the language section, select your preferred language from the list. Choosing a language here updates the interface Doordash uses to display menus, buttons, and most notifications. Keep in mind that some restaurant descriptions or special instructions come directly from merchants and might appear in their original language, but the overall navigation and checkout experience will follow your selection. After making your choice, save your changes. Some versions will show a save or apply button, while others update automatically. If you don't see the change right away in the app, fully close Doordash and reopen it to refresh the interface. On the website, a quick page refresh usually does the trick. If you still don't see the update, sign out and back in or confirm you're connected to the internet so the new preference can sync. That's all it takes. Open Doordash, go to your profile, enter settings or account, choose your language and save, then restart the app if needed. With your preferred language set, browsing restaurants, customizing orders, and checking out should feel more comfortable and intuitive. Enjoy your next order in the language that suits you best.